The bugs are chirping, the music's pumping, and we got some fresh parts as well. So got a few little interior things to go into the Lancer just to kind of clean it up a little bit. So for starters, this is a bit of an outdated stereo. There's no Bluetooth, no USB. It's not really modern enough. And then I've also got a new shift knob to go on this thing, and some different like window winder, window hand, I don't know what they're called. Silver, chrome, whichever one you prefer to call it, to match the steering wheel. And it gives a bit more of that old school look as well. And then the gear stick as well, that's a nice little surprise. Okay, so I feel like we might need to do a little bit of wiring because the connection on this new head unit is different. And we're gonna actually heat wrap these this time because I got a whole box of heat wrap. This stuff was like, it was like 10 bucks from eBay, 530 pieces. Oh, we're making noises. It's looking good. Alright, we're gonna give this a little test. What do we go up to? Nice. Okay. I want you red! Alright, we're gonna call that good. We do need a bass test though, and I have one song that is incredibly bassy. That's mint. Cool. Sorted. This is the piece I've been waiting for, or trying to track down like something proper for it. But this piece here is what's going to give it that real old school retro look. We finally got an 8-ball shifter. Alright, first up, I'm going to screw on a little adapter for it. There we go. We're going to call that good. Okay, here it comes.